This is our very first user group meeting, and it is extremely exciting to see everyone in the same room.
The highlight of the event so far actually is the discussions between the different users.
Having the chance to talk informally with other users, again, sharing experiences, sharing tips and tricks.
Really hearing from everybody present over here. It's really unfiltered. It's coming out from heart. And yeah, it's fun.
It's amazing to see how much data is coming out from our users.
The talks that were given were fantastic.
It was really nice to see also how open these people are to share information on very concrete aspects of the workflow with COMET.
Hearing from people that have a lot of experience with the instrument, how they've been able to optimize sample prep, imaging and image analysis, how they've gotten the most out of their instrument.
We're seeing a lot of new applications coming up, and this is just going to get even more exciting as we continue moving forward.
The future roadmap, opening up multiple channels to do direct immunofluorescence, implementing signal amplification, introduction of ACD to do omics on it.
We're very excited to bring spatial multi-omics on board. We have a lot of users who are interested in looking at RNAs.
RNAscope has been around for really long, and with that unmatched precision, combining that with the expertise of this proteomics world is going to open up so many more questions and paths that researchers can ask that they haven't been able to before.
Having this opportunity to gather inputs on what should be improved on the instruments, super valuable. So for sure, I will be at the next one.
So it's been amazing.
Really good environment.
I had a lot of fun.
This meeting was super valuable.
So this is our very first user group meeting, the first of many. And we're excited to be also heading to Europe for our next user group meeting. And we can't wait to see you there.